Here's a breakdown of our 2000 F Series stretch wrapper panel and display. And here you'll see this is your turntable speed, the carriage up-down speed, and then the load force of your film being applied to the product. You have your start button, your reset button, emergency stop, and then your power. Up here on the display, when you first turn the machine on, this is what you will see. You will be working in auto mode. You'd hit auto mode, hit reset, let the machine reset itself. The carriage will come down to home. The turntable will do a revolution and come to home. Then you also have your manual mode. You can turn your turntable on, you turn the film, make the film carriage go up, make it go down. Then on settings, our basic password that we set all of them is 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Here you have your photo eye delay. That's how high the carriage will travel above the load for your overwrap. Your cut timer, that's how long the heat wire will stay on to cut the film. Your pause timer, say if you hit start, it'll just start the machine as it's currently set. If it was set to a higher value, when you hit start, it'll count down and then start the machine. Your film carriage raise timer, that's for in the beginning when you hit start, the carriage will raise up to miss where the film is being held by the clamps. The heat press, that is how long the heat stamp is going to stay out and pressed against your product. Orientation time on the final revolution, that is the timing on where it slows down depending on where the turntable is clocked. Top wraps, that's how many wraps at the top of the skid it'll do. Bottom wraps is how many at the bottom. So it'll do 2 on the bottom and then 1 roping wrap. So you always add 1 to your bottom to take up for that roping wrap. And then up and down cycles, that's how many times your carriage will go up and down per cycle. Then you have your shift count. You can reset that after every shift, see how much per shift it's doing. And then there's your total that won't ever be reset unless the PLC is replaced or wiped.